Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I wanted to just get a quick video up for you guys. I know I look horrible today, but I just wanted to get this out before the kids get home from school. But tomorrow is going to be December 1st, which is going to be the first day of my 12 days of Christmas tutorials. And they're all going to be Christmas themed. So I'm really excited of that. This is just a thank you to you guys because I actually hit 20,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that I hit 20,000. I mean, when I hit 100, and I say this every time I film a video thanking you guys for the amount of subscribers I have, I still can't believe it. And it's funny because I talk about it with my family and they're just like, wow, like they're like so surprised. And I'm like, I know, it's crazy. Anyways, so as a little thank you to my subscribers, I am going to do 12 days of Christmas tutorials. And of course you can use them for just the holidays, so it doesn't have to be just for Christmas itself. We're going to have items that you can wear. We're going to have home decor items, gift giving items, and things to help you make your Christmas parties a little bit better. So many different ideas, and hopefully you can apply some of them to your holiday season. And I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek now. The first tutorial will be these fabric gift bags. So here it is. This is a little one, but I will have all sizes listed on the blog post, so you can go over there and get the measurements. I showed you how to make this one because it's little and it can fit in the camera better, but you can make these all sizes, so big, big gift bags, So it's a really great way to use up all that Christmas fabric if you have any left over, and then your friends can just keep using them, or they can just use it as a little bag in their house. So super cute, really easy and fun idea to make your gift giving a little bit more special. And then my second little sneak peek is this hilarious, and if you're following me on my Facebook or my Instagram, you've already seen this picture, but it was a picture of that. And it is an adorable little Christmas gnome. This is a Scandinavian Christmas gnome. So it's just a little decoration to put out, on your mantle or on your table, or you can even use it as a door stopper. It's nice and heavy, and it's just so cute, and you can make it, any colors you like. You can use white fur or brown fur. We made this out of a sock. So there's 2 socks here. So I got a lot of the materials over at the Dollar Tree. So it's so cute and easy, and I loved it, and I was like, I have to make one. So this is going to be day 3 of the Christmas tutorials. So I hope that you check out some of them and apply some of them to your holiday season, and I will have some of the tutorials posted at the blog right now, so you can go over there and check them out and get ready, so you can be ready and waiting for the videos. They're going to post at 8:45 a.m. I don't know what time zone I'm in. I'm in Ontario, so New York time. I don't know. So tomorrow morning, the first one's going to go up. So be ready, and I would love it if you would share with your friends, pin all my stuff. That would make my little holiday season a little bit better, because every time you guys click on my blog or like my page, that only makes me do this longer, because I do get monetization, so it only helps me stay home and make tutorials for you guys, and also so I can take care of my kids, which is a big deal, and a lot of the reason why I do this, so that I can be home for my kids. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.